This was the most fish I've ever seen in a tide pool. There were tons of opali and zebra perch swimming about, sharing the little tide pool space that they had. Many fish species such as these two live in tide pools to mature before leaving out into the open ocean. Here, they can feed on algae and kelp. Interestingly, the zebra perch also act as cleaner fish for the opali, so you'll often find them schooling together. The zebra perch sometimes pick off dead skin or other ectoparasites from the opali, thus maintaining a mutualistic relationship. There are so many fascinating examples of symbiotic relationships in the rock pools.